Today I'm going to be doing a job on this Volvo that I've been putting off for years, namely the near side heated mirror, or the left heated mirror. So the first thing I'm going to do is adjust the position of the mirror. We're just going to turn it in towards ourselves, and that's it, full whack. I just managed to give it a pull and off it came. You can see this side here, it's designed to have a bit of flex in it, so we just pulled it off the other side, and fortunately it came without too much of a fight. So the next thing I'll do is I'll check for power. So we've got his terminals in there correctly, common, and volts, ohms and milliamps. So then we'll turn to 20 volts DC, start the engine and switch the heated rear screen on. So we now have a healthy voltage across both of the probes. So we know that we have power going to the heated rear window. So we're now going to set our meter to ohms, and we're going to start high. That's 2 mega ohms, and just get your multimeter and just short the pins. Just check for a 0 before you start. So then we're going to go across the terminals of the mirror. And we're still on overload, and we'll just turn the resistance down. So wherever we turn it down, we're still on overload. So the element in this mirror is well and truly past its best. So I have purchased one replacement from eBay. It did cost me £8.52, which I believe is a small price to pay. So we'll just put the multimeter across these terminals. And on the 20k setting, that's the reading we've got, just with the terminals across there on the Omega ohm setting. So we've now refitted the mirror, and it was a little bit fiddly to do. I basically hooked this end on, and then in here you basically got to flex the plastic behind the mirror. I got a screwdriver in here and I just flexed the plastic, and we just hooked this end of the mirror on. And all what's left to do now is give it a test. So we've put a bit of water on it, and while that's working, one thing I will tell you is, if your electric window doesn't work this side, you've got power issues. So you might not have power to the mirror. If you don't have power to the mirror, the first thing to check is the right hand fuse box, and you'll find it's these two 25 amp fuses. And if we look back at the window, we can see it's getting a bit more smoky now. So it's obviously working, and we can go outside and just do a simple touch test, and we are feeling some heat. So that's one job successfully repaired. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to learn of more repair possibilities.